Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download PUBG Mobile on PC. So if you love playing PUBG on your mobile but you also want to try it on PC without using its actual emulator, then in this video I'll show you how it can be done. So first we have to get the BlueStack launcher. It is a launcher that will allow us to use PUBG Mobile. So go to the browser and there you have to search for BlueStack 5 or simply BlueStack. The BlueStack 5 is the latest version. You can search for it and after that you will be onto its website. If you would like to explore the website, you can do it. But to download it, we have this option for download BlueStacks. You have to simply go to that option. So once you click onto it, the downloading will start. Once downloading gets done, then you have to simply click onto it and install it. The downloading and installation will hardly take like a minute or two, and after that you will be able to use it. Then you will see this page. You have to click onto this option launch, and after that it will get launched. Then you have to simply log in with your Gmail account. Normally you do it on your mobile phone and the interface will be very similar to the mobile phone. You will be on to the app store. You have to search for PUBG and you have to then click onto the install option. It will get installed. I already have installed it, therefore I don't have the option for install. And after that you have to simply open the game and then it will take some time in the installation time like we get into the mobile phone whenever we install it. So this will take like 2 to 3 minutes in this installation of files. This installation is very similar to the one that we get on a mobile phone whenever we download the PUBG for the first time. So this will take 2 to 3 minutes and after that you will be able to play PUBG Mobile on your PC. So that's how you can play PUBG Mobile on your PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.